How in the short year, the 9-10 months that you've got, how are you going? And I'm interested. Chatham House has done a lot of work on corruption. Our most recent big project in Nigeria, but it's a problem that many countries have. I'm just interested in what you are trying to do.
Just want to give one example.
Yeah.
You need a passport. You have to go to the passport office, apply, and somebody will show up. You applied for a passport. If you go this way, it will take years. You'll never get it. You make a deal with me, give me X amount of money. I'll deliver it to your home. The guy is a representative of the officer who issues the passport. So everything that you see outside, all the norms, rules, procedures, now implemented not by the government officials, by their representatives who split the money that they earn. So what we said, from now on, we'll deliver passport online.